If you've been dealing with blocked ears, muffled hearing, or ringing sounds that don't seem to go away, excessive earwax buildup could actually be the cause. In today's video, we're looking at how Hearing First Oxford helps patients improve hearing and ear comfort through professional microsuction, earwax removal, and expert hearing care services. Through professional microsuction, earwax removal, and expert hearing care services. Earwax is completely natural and helps protect the ears by trapping dirt, bacteria, and debris. But when wax builds up excessively or becomes impacted inside the ear canal, it can begin causing symptoms that interfere with daily life. Many people try to remove earwax themselves using cotton buds or home remedies. But this often pushes wax deeper into the ear canal and may worsen the blockage. That's why professional microsuction treatment has become one of the most recommended ear cleaning methods today. At Hearing First Oxford, microsuction earwax removal is performed by a qualified audiologist using specialist suction equipment and direct visual guidance to carefully remove wax safely and effectively. Using specialist suction equipment and direct visual guidance to carefully remove wax safely and effectively, unlike traditional ear syringe-ing methods that use water flushing. Microsuction is often considered cleaner, more precise, and more comfortable for many patients. Symptoms linked to impacted earwax can include muffled hearing, tinnitus, dizziness, ear pressure, itchiness, headaches, and difficulty hearing conversations clearly. Itchiness, headaches, and difficulty hearing conversations clearly. Once the blockage is removed, many patients notice a significant improvement in hearing almost immediately. Modern lifestyles have also increased the likelihood of earwax buildup. The growing use of wireless earbuds, in-ear headphones, and hearing aids can sometimes interfere with the ear's natural cleaning process, allowing wax to accumulate over time. In addition to earwax removal, Hearing First Oxford also provides hearing assessments and modern hearing aid solutions for people experiencing hearing loss or communication difficulties. Today's hearing aids include advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, rechargeable batteries, background noise reduction, and discreet designs that make hearing support more comfortable and convenient than ever before. The clinic focuses on delivering professional, patient-focused hearing care in a calm and welcoming environment, where patients feel informed and supported throughout their appointment. If you'd like to book professional microsuction earwax removal in Oxford, or learn more about hearing aid solutions, check the booking link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more hearing health tips and audiology advice.